I used to teach in Burnaby, and in most of the Burnaby high schools have school stores, and it's part of the business ed curriculum. And when I moved back to Dryden, which is my hometown, it was something that we didn't have. I know in the past business ed teachers here had talked about it with admin, and it was an idea that was going here, and I kind of brought my 2 cents worth to the high school. And it's a fun, practical, hands-on way of learning business education and learning valuable skills that they'll use down the road in terms of retail, managing people, communications. Some kids are getting scheduling, learning how to do schedules. Some other kids are learning to do financial aspects of the store. All sorts of everything that you would run into doing a business. They're getting their hands, into that as they run this business.
It's definitely taught me a lot. Taught me about being patient with people and taking responsibility, coming to my shifts and making sure everything's done properly on my shift and stuff. So it's been really good.
Well, I kind of want to be an entrepreneur when I grow up, so I've kind of learned all the different stuff about like how to start up a business.
We get to be creative and kind of put our own twist on things, like to get people more intrigued and wanting to come into the store.
Well, I want to go into promotion after school, and we learn a lot about that, like in class, like the marketing mix and like the messages, like how to make a good message and different ways to do it. Like it's more complex than I actually thought it was.
It's been a lot of work for myself and the students, but with a lot of hard work comes good things, and the students have learned a lot. It's been a lot of fun, and it's been a benefit for our school, and I'm glad it's part of our business ed program now, and I think it'll help serve our department and the kids that work here and the school in general, because the school it's just another one of those things that increases the offering for the whole school. Everybody's an Eagle, and now everybody will have easy access to Eagles wear, whether you're an athlete or not. Everybody's an Eagle, and Eagles can come down here and shop, and their parents can come down here and shop.
We learn a lot of like theory behind like why we market and why it's important to advertise and what it can do for a business. So it's been really interesting to learn like the behind the scenes of a business.
And I see that they all take pride in the work that they do now, which is excellent.
It's like Eagle's Nest, come get your chocolate.